How to change date of birth in Facebook after limit. So if you want to change date of birth in your Facebook after the limit, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. So let me tell you one thing, that you just have a limit to change your date of birth on Facebook. You can't change it daily or weekly. So you just need to wait for some time till you can change it the other time. So if you want to change your date of birth in Facebook after the limit count, then you won't be able to change the date of birth in your Facebook. But instead of that, what you can do is go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, scroll all the way down, go for help and support, and choose report a problem. And tap on continue to report a problem, and it might take some time to create a report. And once you've on the report page, now you can tap on include or don't include, and then you can simply scroll down and then go for the settings option, and now you can simply describe the issue. So you need to write that, hi Facebook, I would like to change my date of birth in my Facebook account. So unfortunately I have changed my Facebook recently, so I'm not being able to change it again. So please help me with that issue. And once you've entered all of the information of your date of birth or something, then you need to tap on the send or the arrow button, which is on the upper right. And once you've sent, your issue will be sent to Facebook and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can change your date of birth in your Facebook after the limit. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.